Grammarly is constantly developing new products and new experiences, and experimentation is at the core of how we do this. So my name is Christian Acuna. I manage data infrastructure, data governance, experimentation teams at Grammarly, which is part of the data and AI platform org. I've been managing experimentation at Grammarly for over 2 years. So we had our own in-house experimentation system called Mannequin. We had a full team working on the product as a full stack web application with a backend system that also had a metric scheduling and orchestration system for all our metrics. So it was quite a large application and system to manage and build. We were at a point where we were bottlenecked on the front end resources because we wanted to build more features, enable more experimentation use cases, and it just required a lot of time and engineering to actually develop. And so we started to think about third-party vendors. So we started to evaluate Statsig and EPO. And so we did a head-to-head POC with both teams for about almost 2 quarters, evaluating both platforms on multiple dimensions. And working with the Statsig team was just really incredible. I was pretty unanimous on many kind of dimensions that Statsig was the kind of best choice for Grammarly at the time. We've been able to support a much larger experimentation program at Grammarly, building standards at the template level and enforcing that across the organization. I think experimentation is a mixture of the tooling, but also the culture and processes. And so being able to encode a lot of best practices or guardrails in place in the actual UI itself and have a review process for certain changes. The UI has just been way more advanced than what we can ever build, like internally. We can standardize how people are interpreting and analyzing results, whereas before it could be, our UI was probably not the most intuitive and also standardized in terms of how we report results to leadership and other teams. Grammarly is constantly developing new products and new experiences, and experimentation is at the core of how we do this. Experimentation is embedded into how we're developing these new products, and ensuring that they have experimentation support from the get-go is really crucial to the success of evaluating, is this actually resonating with our users, or do we need to change the experience? So I think adoption of Statsig into new products and new initiatives, both external products, but also internal, kind of how we're doing machine learning or different model development or internal tooling. The success of experimentation is super important across multiple different areas of our business.